And don't overdo it, otherwise you're going to feel it way down. It's going to be heavy, and it feels so good on the skin. Look on my skin. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about African Shea Butter. Yes, African Shea Butter for a 4C natural hair review. I hope that all is well with you. Let's dive into this. So you can see it's almost on the end, and I got my hair shampoo and using this. So I did a video on the Murray Walks, you guys can check that out, and this one today is on the African Shea Butter. So today I'm sharing my honest review of African Shea Butter for 4C natural hair. Yes, I have 4C, and how I use it, what I noticed, and why it's being a game changer for my hair. And guess what, not just for my hair but also for my skin. So African Shea Butter comes from the nuts of the shea tree, from mainly in West Africa. It packed with vitamin A and E, essentially fatty acid, and a rich creamy texture that deeply nourishes the hair and scalp. But I don't use it on my scalp because I notice when I use it on my scalp I get a little built up, so I avoid it, and I tried it on my hair shaft, and I see it works perfectly. It's so good. And when I use my castor oil to sealing that as well, unlike many other, so it was what works best for you. So unlike many other store-bought creams, pure refined shea butter has no added chemicals, just natural goodness. Isn't that what you want? That is what I want. So you can see here I have it, and I'm gonna just open the jar because I'm using my other hand to record, right? So you can see set done already. I use it, guys, and it smells good. I love it. I use it, guys. Yes, I do. I have this amount. Yeah, can leave a little bit, and it feels so good. Yeah, it feels so good, and I love it. So here's my routine, and this is just a review to show you, and of course I'm going to come and do a video. So 4C hair naturally needs more moisture because of its tight curl patterns. Shea butter helps by sealing in hydration, soften the hair strands, and protecting against breakage. It's also great for reducing split ends, soothing a dry scalp, and that is if you are not producing because our body naturally produces oil, which is a sebum. So if you're not getting more of that, then you can just use a little goes a long way. And even protecting the hair from harsh weather. Yes, I've noticed my hair stays softer for days after using it, and my twist out looks more defined and shiny. And I also do a little blend with it, and I'm gonna try it with Itamamori to see if they like each other. So here's my routine. I started with a freshly washed, slightly damp hair. I warm up, as I see I'm doing now, warm up a small amount of shea butter into my between my fingers here, or you can do it in the palm of your hands. But right here, there are times I love to do it like this, just warm it up right for the edges. This is right for my edges, my hairline, and in my crown, and I want to warm it up. Or there are times I will place it in the middle and then rub both hands together. But as I said to you, I'm using my other hand to hold the camera, all right, which is the phone. All right, thank you so much for still being here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So then I will apply it section by section. Of course, I'm going to detangle my hair, and then because as it melt down, you see turn into an oil-like texture. That's what we're looking for because it's now warmed up. So focusing on my ends first, I also use it to seal in my leave-in conditioner, which for my daughter I love to use the Cream of Nature, and for me I can use the Zimi, which acts as a 2-in-1, and I will come and show a video of that as well. I think that is going to be my next video. So then of course you want the oil to seal it in. I also use it to seal in my, as I said, the leave-in, and sometimes I whip it up with, I'm going to try it with the beeswax, the Murray beeswax, and then let you guys know if it works. A little goes a long way, remember, and don't overdo it, otherwise you're going to feel it way down. It's going to be heavy, and it feels so good on the skin. Look on my skin. Yes, shea moisture. shea moisture for the hair, shea moisture for the hand, but you don't have to eat it. All right. So the pros and cons: it is natural. It is natural, long lasting, and of course, and deeply moisturizing. So that's the pro. The con is the raw scent can be strong for some people, because I'm never used to like when it just start. I think them put something else in it. But maybe can do a little tip of lavender, but I don't know if it works for you, for anyone out there. But yeah, and if you have ashy elbow, it helps. So not just for 4C here, but ashy elbow and knee, don't be, you know, don't feel bad about it. You can, you know. Yeah, and it helps with stretch mark. My daughter whispered that to me. Yes, thank you. It helps with stretch mark as well. So you're on your exercising, it can help. And I know I'm coming on to the topic, but yeah, it's still in, because I said it's for hair and skin. All right, so don't overdo. And if you have 4C natural hair and you're looking for something, you can check this out, and truly locks in the moisture and promotes length, because not just having thick hair, but you want, or having long hair, but you need length retention. So African Shea Butter is definitely worth trying. And guess what? It's affordable, versatile, and it works for both hair and skin. Right? So I want to leave you with a biblical word of encouragement. And just as like shea butter protects your hair, seal on the nice goodness and the juiciness, the Lord seals us with his Holy Spirit, keeping us, protecting us, and nourishing our souls. Ephesians 1 and verse 13 reminds us, after that he believed, he were sealed with the Holy Spirit of promise. So as you are cared for your crown, remember to care for your spirit too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more faith and natural hair content, and share your own shea butter experience in the comments below. This is your girl Jazzy, and I'm saying see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.